The first step is creating engaging content that resonates with your target audience is the cornerstone of success on TikTok. To achieve this, you must first understand the interests and preferences of your viewers, which can be done by analyzing their interactions and feedback on your posts. Once you have a clear picture of what your audience enjoys, focus on producing high-quality videos that entertain, inform, or inspire, ensuring that your unique personality and style shine through in every post. The next step is building a consistent posting schedule is crucial to growing your following on TikTok. Regularly posting content keeps your audience engaged and helps maintain your visibility on the platform. By establishing a routine, whether it's daily or several times a week, you create anticipation and reliability, encouraging your followers to return for more and potentially attracting new viewers who appreciate your commitment. The next step is utilizing trending hashtags and participating in popular challenges can significantly boost your visibility on TikTok. By staying up to date with the latest trends, you can tap into a wider audience who are searching for content under these popular tags. Engaging in challenges not only increases your chances of being discovered, but also demonstrates your ability to stay relevant and adaptable in a fast-paced digital environment. The next step is collaborating with other creators is an effective strategy to expand your reach on TikTok. Partnering with influencers or creators who share a similar audience can introduce your content to new viewers and enhance your credibility. These collaborations can take various forms, from duet videos to joint challenges, and often result in a mutually beneficial exchange of followers and ideas. The next step is monetizing your account through TikTok's Creator Fund and brand partnerships is a viable way to earn money on the platform. The Creator Fund rewards users based on the performance of their content, while brand partnerships allow you to collaborate with companies that align with your personal brand. By leveraging these opportunities, you can turn your passion for content creation into a sustainable income stream. Final step is diversifying income streams by promoting affiliate products or your own merchandise is another effective way to monetize your TikTok presence. By recommending products you genuinely use and love, you can earn a commission on sales made through your unique affiliate links. Additionally, creating and selling your own merchandise allows you to capitalize on your brand's popularity, offering your audience tangible items that represent your unique style and message.